Good evening, dear students. Are you happy at home? Okay, hope you are ready for today's class. What we discussed in the previous class, do you remember? Let me ask you some questions. You know that Till is a Flemish painter. Then what does Till wish to become? Yes, very good. Till wishes to become a court painter. What does the Archduke want Till to do? Very good. The Archduke wanted to paint his portrait so as to leave his memory to his descendants. Students, hope you all read the text, right? So tell me, what is the sentence, "We do not know when God will think fit to summon us" mean? It means that death will come at any time without any warning. Now all of you take your English text and take page number 13. Students, I'll give you a model reading of the 6th and 7th paragraphs. All of you look into the text. Till quickly replied, "Your lordship's slightest wish is to me command. All the same, I do feel rather unhappy about painting your lordship all by yourself. Is it not terrible to think of your lordship being lonely forever and ever? Don't you think, ladies and gentlemen, that His Highness should be accompanied at least by Her Highness, her ladies, the noble generals and captains who adorn this court? A court like this has few rivals in splendor, loveliness, and chivalry. In the midst of such valor and beauty, I will make my lord and lady shine forth like the moon surrounded by lanterns." The Archduke thought that it was a good idea. "Well, my friend, your painting will be a great piece of art. What reward do you expect for it?" 100 pieces of gold. "You can pay me now or later just as you please. Here are the 100 pieces of gold in advance," said the Archduke, giving him the gold. "My lord, you are the most generous of masters. You have filled my lamp with oil. It will forever burn in your honor." Students, now all of you read the 6th and 7th paragraphs silently and identify the difficult words. Hope you all read the text and identified the difficult words. Am I right? Okay, so let's discuss the words and their meanings. Lordship means the supreme power. Terrible, extremely bad. Rival, opponent. Splendor, magnificent. Chivalry means very polite or honest. Valor means great courage. Lantern, lamp or light. Reward, award or honor. Now I'll give you the summary of the 6th and 7th paragraphs. Here, Till was not happy to paint the Archduke alone. Till wanted to paint the picture of the Archduke, which was accompanied by Her Highness, ladies, noble generals, and captains in the court. But what about the Archduke? Yes, the Archduke wanted to paint his portrait without the courtiers in it. So, Till felt unhappy. Here, Till brought an idea to impress the Archduke. What was that idea? Yes, here Till compared the lord and lady to the moon and the courtiers to the lanterns or lamps. Hearing this idea, the Archduke said that it was a good idea. So the king was impressed in this idea of Till. So the Archduke rewarded him 100 pieces of gold in advance. At that time, Till praised the Archduke. Students, hope you all understood the summary of the 6th and 7th paragraphs. Am I right? Now, all of you take page number 14. I'll give you a model reading of the 8th and 9th paragraphs. At that time, all of you look into the text, okay? The next day, Till asked the Archduke to allow him to see all the courtiers who were to be painted along with him. They came and saw him one by one. The first to come was the commander-in-chief of the army. He was a short, fat, bald man with an enormous paunch. He whispered in Till's ear, "When you paint my picture, remember you are to make me look handsome. If you do not make my stomach look flat, I'll have you hanged. Remember, I was once a very handsome soldier." An elderly lady came next. She had a large hump on her back. "Sir Painter," she said softly, "make me look young and beautiful. If you don't remove the hump on my back and supply what I lack in beauty, I'll have you torn to pieces." A young lady who was the companion of the Duchess came in as soon as the old lady left. She was young and pretty, but had lost 3 of her front teeth in an accident. She warned Till that if in her picture she didn't see herself smiling with a perfect set of pearly teeth, she would have him cut into small bits by her lover. She pointed to the captain of the guards. Similar requests and threats continued until he had finished with the last of the courtiers. Then the Archduke sent for him and said, "My dear fellow, I want your portrait to be perfect in every detail. You are to paint all my courtiers exactly as we see them. If you leave out a mole, a pimple, or a single grey hair, I'll have you slaughtered like a pig." Students, now what you have to do is pause the video and read the 8 and 9 paragraphs silently and identify the difficult words. Students, did you identify the difficult words? Okay, shall we discuss those words and their meanings? Let's go. Bald means hairless. Look at this picture. Here you can see a hairless man. Enormous means huge. Paunch, big belly. Look at this picture. This is a big belly. Hump, projection. Here you can see a woman with a hump. Torn, to cut. Pearly teeth means extremely white teeth. Here you can see the picture of pearly teeth. Mole means mark. Look at this picture. Here you can see a face of a woman with some marks. Slaughter means kill for food. Okay, now I'll give you the summary for the 8 and 9 paragraphs. All of you listen attentively. The next day, Till asked the Archduke to allow him to see all the courtiers who were to be painted along with him. All the courtiers came there and saw Till one by one. The first person to come was the commander-in-chief, who was a short, hairless man with a big belly or big stomach. He demanded Till to make him look handsome and to make his stomach look flat, otherwise he will be killed. After the commander-in-chief came an elderly lady who had a large hump on her back. She wanted to look young and beautiful and also wanted to remove the hump on her back. Otherwise, she will have to torn him into pieces. After that, a young lady came there. She was young and beautiful, but as a part of an accident, she lost her front teeth. So, she demanded Till to give her beautiful pearly teeth in her picture. If it doesn't happen, her lover, that is the captain of the guards, will cut him into small pieces. So likewise, all the courtiers made requests and threats on painting their picture. After that, Till was called by the Archduke to remind him that he was to paint each courtier as natural and exactly as they are, and added that if otherwise, he will have Till cut like a pig. Students, hope you understood today's class. Am I right? So all of you read the text very well, and I'll ask you some questions in the next online class. All of you attend the class. Thank you, dears.